Hello everyone, welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on the Objective and Key Result OKR module. This module is essential for setting, tracking and managing objectives effectively. We are using AI to draft and review the OKRs. This AI-powered approach adds efficiency and precision to the process, ensuring our objectives align seamlessly with our business goals. You can use this tool on our website OKR Institute and okri.io. We will start by creating a new performance cycle. First, log in as an admin and navigate to the OKR module. Go to the performance cycle. Click on the new performance cycle and fill in the details. Enter the details and save the new cycle. Viewing performance cycle as a diagram. Let's view a performance cycle in a hierarchical diagram. First, log in as admin and access the OKR module. Select any objective and select View as Diagram. Viewing performance cycle as a report. Let's access Performance Cycle Report. First, log in as admin and head to the OKR module. Go to the performance cycle. Select any cycle and view as report. Editing a performance cycle. Let's modify an existing performance cycle. First, log in as admin and navigate to the OKR module. Go to the performance cycle screen. Choose any cycle that you want to edit and click Edit Cycle. Make any necessary changes and click Update. Deleting a performance cycle. Let's remove a performance cycle. First, log in as admin and go to the OKR module. Click Performance Cycle. In the performance cycle screen, choose any cycle that you want to delete. Click Delete Cycle and confirm. Adding OKRs. Let's add OKRs into the system. First, log in as admin and navigate to the OKR module. Use the OKR draft editor to add OKRs and also key results. After you are done, choose Create OKR, fill in necessary details, and click Submit. Employee viewing OKRs. Let's make sure employee can access to view OKRs. First, log in as an employee and go to the OKR module. Choose any objective that you prefer and review all the objectives. Employee adding objective. Let's make sure employee can add new objective. First, log in as an employee and access the OKR module. Choose any objective type and click Add New Objective. Enter the necessary details and click Save. Viewing team objective results. Let's review results added by employees in the team objective. First, log in as admin and navigate to the OKR module. Select the team objective and view the results. Viewing personal and company objective. Let's check results in personal and company objective. First, log in as admin and go to the OKR module. Choose either personal or company objective section and view results using filters or viewing options. Employee editing and deleting objective. Let's make sure employee can modify or remove objective results. First, log in as an employee and go to the OKR section. Choose any objective. Click the three dots to edit or delete the objective. After you are done, save change or confirm deletion. Employee viewing performance reports. Let's make sure employee can access performance reports for different objectives. First, log in as an employee and navigate to the OKR module. Choose any type of objective. Click Report and Verify Report displays the relevant data. Exporting OKR reports as PPT. Let's export OKR report as PPT slides. First, log in using respective credentials. Go to the OKR module and click any of the objectives. Click on the three dots and export as slide and confirm export success. Exporting and importing objective and key results. Let's export and import objective and key results. First, log in as admin and access to the OKR module. Go to any objective. Click the three dots and choose Export or Import to CSV option. Choose what you prefer and verify success of export or import of the CSV. That's a wrap for OKR module. This provides a seamless and effective solution for goal setting and performance tracking in one comprehensive package. For a streamlined OKR management experience, consider exploring AI-powered tools. Thank you for watching.